Welcome back to Channel V8X, your ultimate destination for luxury cars, future SUVs, and next-generation automotive design. If you love premium vehicles and detailed visuals, make sure you subscribe to Channel V8X and stay ahead of the road. Today, we're showcasing the new Honda CR-V 2026, finished in a stunning pearl white color, a perfect blend of luxury, power, and modern American SUV styling. Front view praise. Let's start with the front view, and this is where the CR-V 2026 truly commands attention. The bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and confident stance give this SUV a powerful road presence. In pearl white, the reflections and contours look incredibly premium, delivering a clean yet aggressive luxury feel that rivals much more expensive SUVs. Side view praise. Move to the side view, and you'll notice the smooth body lines and well-balanced proportions. The aerodynamic silhouette, premium alloy wheels, and flowing design make the CR-V 2026 look elegant even while standing still. This angle perfectly represents Honda's evolution toward modern American luxury styling. Rear/back view praise. From the back view, the CR-V 2026 continues to impress. The sleek LED taillights, bold CR-V badging, and wide stance give the rear a strong, confident finish. It's clean, modern, and unmistakably premium, especially under night lighting. Dashboard and interior praise. Step inside, and the dashboard view reveals a refined and technology-focused interior. High-quality materials, a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen, and ambient lighting create a true luxury cabin experience. Honda has clearly designed this interior for comfort, control, and everyday elegance. Engine view praise. Now let's talk about power. The engine view highlights Honda's focus on efficiency and reliability, combined with modern performance engineering. Everything is neatly arranged, showcasing durability, smart design, and long-term performance confidence. Drone view praise. The drone view gives us a completely different perspective, and it's breathtaking. From above, the pearl white CR-V 2026 looks bold, premium, and perfectly proportioned, especially when placed in an American luxury environment. This angle truly captures the SUV's road dominance. Highway shot praise. On the highway, the CR-V 2026 feels smooth, confident, and stable. Whether cruising at speed or overtaking traffic, this SUV delivers a calm and composed driving presence, exactly what American SUV buyers expect. Night shot praise. And finally, the night shot. With glowing LED headlights, reflective paint, and dramatic lighting, the CR-V 2026 looks absolutely stunning after dark. This is where luxury meets cinematic style. Price mention. Now let's talk about pricing. The new Honda CR-V 2026 is expected to start around $32,000 to $38,000, depending on trim and features, making it an incredible value in the premium SUV segment. Closing, channel call. So if you're looking for a modern, reliable, and luxurious SUV, the new Honda CR-V 2026 in pearl white deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because Channel V8X is where luxury meets the future of driving.